difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, my hair is pretty long, it comes below my chin, and some of you ask, like, the people who know me in real life, how does your hair like have so much volume even though your hair is so long? And yeah, sometimes I use hair clays and hairsprays, like on very rare occasions. So I'm going to show you how I style my hair on these rare occasions when I use hair clay and hairspray. Others usually I have that sexy flowy hairstyle, you know, that side swept hairstyle, falling down, looking super cool. I really love those hairstyles, but this time I'm trying a greaser hairstyle, you know, the one which goes with leather jackets, the high volume one, which I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to achieve this hairstyle with long hair which comes up till here. Just look at it, man. It looks so good, so much volume, even though I don't like high volume hairstyles, but it's good to go for a try, you know, good to try something new. So without further delay, let's jump right into this video. Also, this video is sponsored by Urban Gumbroo. You can check out their products in the description down below. I'm going to use their products for this video, so they're pretty good products. They are organic, they contain less chemicals, less damaging, and as you can see, they've provided me long-lasting hold and great results. If you want to try some great hair products at a cheap price with high quality, you should definitely check out Urban Gumbroo. Link is down in the description. Go and buy the products, it's amazing. I'll start off my hairstyle by applying some volume cream. I'll apply it throughout my hair length, and benefits of using a volume cream: great hold, a good base and foundation to your hairstyle, heat protection, and yeah, extra volume, that huge volume. So if you want a high volume hairstyle and you need to build a good base, so start with a volume cream. Moving on to the most important process of this hairstyle tutorial, the blow drying part. I've made an entire video on how to blow dry without any cuts. You should definitely check it out after this video ends. So now, the blow drying part, keep in mind, start from the back of your head, because usually when you start blow drying from the front, you tend to forget the back of your head. So start at the back and work your way through to the top. And once your hair is 80 to 90% dry, and remember, just blow dry in one direction. Once it's 80 to 90% dry, that's the time. Just blast it. You know, just blast it and, you know, flip your hair to the other direction and blow dry it that way. So, for example, you've been blow drying the right side, and then start blow drying the left side when your hair is 90% dry. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay. So after your blow drying process is done, it's time to apply a texture clay. And the texture clay I'm using today is from Urban Gumbroo. It has many organic ingredients, lesser chemical and harmful ingredients. It's a good clay, and as per my experience, it gives good hold and it has a natural shine. So I'll apply a coin-sized amount of Urban Gumbroo's hair wax. Heck, it's called a clay wax, so whatever. I'll apply it throughout my hair length. As you can see, I've already got great volume. But for some people, like you're gonna be in an event a whole day long, so it's not possible for a clay to give you hold all day long. Accept the fact it's not possible. So for those times, you need to rely on a hairspray. This is the first time I'm trying on Urban Gumbroo's Hair Frost hairspray, and as you know, I'm doing the voiceover while editing my video. I'm saying the spray is pretty good. It has many natural ingredients and less of chemical ingredients, and I loved the hold it gave to me. It lasted all day long and it's wonderful, as you can see. So just spray, like shake the can well before using. Always remember that. Then burst it throughout your hair. You don't need to be just spraying all around. Just in short bursts, put your fingers in to create the texture, as you can see what I'm doing, and you're done. Like, just do some finishing touches on the sides and yep, your hairstyle's done. As you can see, my hair is pretty long, but still I get so much volume. It all boils down to the technique, not the product. That's a takeaway tip from this video. So as you can see, I've achieved this hairstyle. That was the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a kind of a change because I never do such hairstyles, but on rare occasions, as I said, I always give it a shot. So, if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notifications bell on, follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!